So a few words I'd use to describe today. One would be awareness, another would be confidence, another one would be leadership, and change. Change is a big one. Being the change and not waiting for change to come. So the key moments for me was the interactive session where we all described our different experiences. It helped me to be more aware of how other people see things against my own perspective, and also just learning about how to be more aware of your surroundings and the people around you. So this workshop will be useful in many ways. In the first way, it will be useful for gaining an awareness and to see how other people view things against your own perspective. It'd also be very useful to know the support systems that are available in your everyday life here at university, because I feel like it's really important to involve yourself in everything that's around you so that you can get the full experience and benefit from it.